Listicle tracking allows you to show a visitor two landing pages before reaching the offer, meaning you are able to present more content to the potential customer. How does it work? A visitor clicks on your ad and is taken to the landing page that you set up as your pre-lander in Voluum. Pre-lander has links to your other landing pages. Finally, the landing page is linked to the offer. To make it work, you first need to set up a pre-landing page in Voluum. Go to Landers tab and click on New Lander. Select Pre-Lander from the drop-down. If your flow is designed for a specific location, you can change the country tag. Remember that this option is only for organizational purposes in Voluum. Name your pre-lander. Add tags if needed. Provide the URL. You can add URL tokens, but it's optional. It can be used if you want to send specific data to your landing page. For example, you can use a script that will pass on the information about the device type, and the visitor will receive a personalized message on your landing page. The number of call to actions defines how many landing pages you are going to use in this flow. When you increase the number of CTAs, the same happens to the number of intermediate clicks URLs. They will need to be added to a pre-lander HTML later on. Remember that each landing page can be linked to a unique offer, meaning you cannot rotate offers in such setup. If you want to rotate offers, set the number of CTAs to 1 and add multiple offers in the campaign edit under the listicle tracking. Remember, you cannot change the number of CTAs once saved. You can also track without redirects. Just turn on this option, copy the script, and insert it into the head section of your pre-lander. Once you provide the landing page URL, you can verify if the setup is correct. Simply click here, and if anything is wrong, you will be informed about it. Once you added a pre-lander to Voluum, you can use it for campaign creation. Remember to add other landing pages and offers you want to use in your funnel. Go to the Campaigns tab. Create an advanced campaign. In the Path Destination section, select Listicle. Start the setup with the pre-lander you set up. Then add landers and offers. The number of CTAs will define how many landing pages and offers you can add to the flow. Remember that all landers and offers you are adding to the flow should be unique. Once you complete the campaign creation, remember that you need to update your landing pages and pre-landers with appropriate click URLs. They can be found in the Tracking URL section, in Settings, or in the Tracking tab of a campaign. In your pre-lander body section, place all intermediate click URLs. As for landers, place the click URL that you can find in the campaign tracking section. If you're using listicle campaigns, you should add 2 new metrics to the reports. Intermediate clicks shows the number of clicks on the first step lander. Sublander's click-through rate describes the ratio of clicks on the pre-lander to clicks on the lander. When you're viewing a report for a listicle campaign, just edit the column view here. For more information, remember to check our Voluum documentation linked in the description below.